How you can make money on Patreon. So first of all, create your Patreon account and set up your creator page. So click on the create button and then you just need to select a type. Make sure to have a video in which you are introducing yourself on Patreon with kind of like a short video. So simply click on it and make sure to have a great intro video, because whenever a person will gonna go to your Patreon account, they should know what they are seeing or paying for. The next thing is offer memberships. Those who join your membership can pay you a monthly fee like $2, $5 depending on the niche that you are in, which can be one of several tiers for different benefits. Now you need to provide your members with the content that you promised when they signed up. But let's say you are promoting your Patreon on YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media platform. Another tip is you need to offer multiple benefit tiers, like if they sign up for a $5 or $10 subscription, what they will gonna get. So you need to keep in mind that the amount of money you can make on Patreon varies depending on the factors like how much effort you are putting in to the creating content, how engaged your audience is, and how well you market yourself as a creator. It takes time to build up a meaningful income from Patreon, but with hard work and dedication, it's certainly possible. So that's the quick overview of how you can earn money in Patreon.